As you know very well that the 40 marks will be coming in the history and civics. If you want to keep 40 out of 40, right, the things, the strategy, the first smart work which you need to follow, that is, see, reading randomly bit to bit is not a strategy, okay? And you might be thinking, you might be knowing, there are having many kind of students in your class that they are reading daily 20 hours 15 hours 20 hours 15 hours, but they never come first in class. जो बच्चा 4 घंटा 5 घंटा पढ़ता वो वही they always come first in class. So these are the strategy how they come first in class if they are reading 4 to 5 hours, because they apply smart work, they apply smart strategy. If you want to secure 40 out of 40, in which in the history and civics you know very well that 2 structure question comes. Structure per questions, I mean to say the picture questions, paragraph question को बोलते हैं case based questions, or you can say structure questions, whatever, case based questions you can say, right? All right, so 2 question will be coming in which each question consists of 5 marks. तो 2 क्वेश्चन बना 10 मार्क, टोटल मार्क कितना आता बच्चों 40. 10 मार्क का बनेगा पिक्चर एज वेल एज केस बेस्ड, इन विच 1 क्वेश्चन विल बी फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री एंड 1 क्वेश्चन विल बी फ्रॉम civics. Is it clear? And the most important in the history you people will be getting 25 marks, and in the civics you people will be getting only 15 marks. Only 15 marks. If you are following Morning Star, you are having only 1 chapter of a civics. If you are following other author books, you will be getting 2 chapter of a civics. That means 2 chapter मिलकर 1 chapter बनता है Morning Star में, and other that doesn't mean. And those who are reading 2 chapters, उनका what the strategy get, you know, means what, clumsy means 2 chapter बन के 1 chapter बनता. तो whatever, let us understand civics is 15 marks, only 1 chapter is coming. And in history 7 से 8 चैप्टर विल बी देयर. कौन कौन बुक में 7 चैप्टर है, कोई बुक में 8 चैप्टर है, कोई बुक में 6 चैप्टर्स भी है. रिमेंबर दिस. टू सिक्योर टू रीड नाउ, इफ यू विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग नाउ, मैं इसको पढ़ने वाला हूं, आई विल बी रीडिंग सिविक्स एंड आई कैन सिक्योर 15 मार्क्स, बट आई विल बी रीडिंग 7 to 8 चैप्टर्स फॉर 25 मार्क्स. तो इमेजिन, मुझे 1 चैप्टर अगर मैं पढ़ूं तो 15 मार्क मिलने वाला है. अगर मैं 7-8 चैप्टर पढ़ूं तो मुझे 25 मार्क मिलने वाला है. टू whom you will be giving more emphasis? Definitely it will be a civics. Definitely it will be a civics. My first primost children, if you are looking after this video, my first strategy, I want to say you, my beautiful students, start reading from civics. If you want to secure 40 out of 40, अगर अपने आप को भी तुम सोच रहे हो अरे मैं 10 भी नहीं रख पाऊंगा, तो तुम 40 रख लोगे. कैसे? And it is not a fact, something like that. But that doesn't mean after this video you won't read, you will be busy in something others. No, after this video you have to labor hard, you have to work hard. You have to work hard only for a day. Remember this. In case of civics, just after this video start doing civics, because in civics you will be getting 15 marks. The most important, एक पिक्चर वाला क्वेश्चन बनने वाला है, एक पिक्चर वाला क्वेश्चन आएगा civics से. Is it clear? कौन सा क्वेश्चंस like नरेंद्र मोदी, राइट, एंड नरेंद्र मोदी वाला क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. मोहम्मद हमीद, दैट इज हिस्ट्री लिटिल बिट बो क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. एंड what Srimati, something like that, I have forgotten. What Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the question which I am talking about, please note it down, it may come in examination. And Satyagraha movement, and who was sitting left to the Mahatma Gandhi, what that is Mountbatten, something like that. That is history. This is the important picture questions. Generally it comes in every year. PYQ का बात में करेंगे, right? So the first most priority is civics. You people just start reading civics first. Start reading civics first, because 15 मार्क का चमकने वाला है. अगर मैं अच्छे से पढ़ लूँ ना civics, तो मुझे 15 मार्क मिलेगा. इतना याद रखो. In which 10 mark is a picture, and in which in which history is there. History का 5 मार्क का. Definitely it will be very easy. You people can do it. That means if you people will do, if you people can make it correct, 10 मार्क का अगर करेक्ट हो जाता तो बनेगा, मिला कितना, 30, more 30 marks left, in which 10 mark will be civics, 10 mark will be civics. Is it clear? That means total number of marks was 40, out of which 10 marks of went away in case of case based question, पिक्चर क्वेश्चन 5 और 5, एक क्वेश्चन बना सिविक्स से, एक क्वेश्चन बना हिस्ट्री से, सिविक्स का एक क्वेश्चन बना तो 5 मार्क वहां पर गायब हो गया, राइट, एंड 5 मार्क सिविक्स हिस्ट्री का गायब हो गया और बचा 30 मार्क्स, इन विच आउट ऑफ 30 10 मार्क्स फ्रॉम सिविक्स, 10 marks from civics and rest 20 marks from history, right? See, if you are a student below average student or talented or as the topper student, see, out of 10 se 10 definitely you can secure. How you can secure, I will be saying you, in which in this mark, in this 10 of a civics, definitely you can secure civics if you will read only civics for entire tonight. If you will be reading civics tonight, 10 यहाँ पर तुम रख लिए, बना कितना 15 बन गया, और ये 20 में से बच्चों डेफिनेटली तुम 10 ही रख पाओगे, एवरेज बच्चे पकड़ लो 10, कितना बना 30. अगर इफ यू विल बी लेबर मोर, इफ यू विल रीड लिटिल बिट मोर, यू कैन की 15, बना 35. टॉपर स्टूडेंट आता ही होगा पहले से, those who have done 2 to 3 times revision, definitely they can secure 20 out of 20. So this is the important, this is the, you know, which kind of strategy I am talking about, children. This is the strategy toppers do. This is the strategy, you know, a cunning, a wise people do. So please stick to the topic and definitely everything will be in a favor. Yes, again I want to say that Muslim League का स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन अगर कुछ है, पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन अगर कुछ है, इग्नोर मत करना. रीड दिस मच. एंड नाउ मैक्सिमम पीपल दे माइट बी थिंकिंग, सर व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट वी नीड टू रीड फर्स्ट. माय वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग मॉर्निंग स्टार बुक, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, कंप्लीट ऑल द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. Complete all the exercise questions, because every year the question come from exercise. Every year it has been trending. Every year the question come from exercise. If you are reading Morning Star book, complete all the exercise. If you are reading Together With, complete all the exercise. If you are reading other author books, complete all the exercise, right? Because exercise में बहुत कुछ what similar रहता है. Complete all the exercise. Then after complete all the case based questions, structure questions, you have to complete all the case based questions, structure questions. In case of history, the same. Complete all the what you know, Babu, complete all the exercise questions. But that doesn't mean, so you might be thinking, sir, history में तो लंबा question. No, but whatever the short questions are there, one word questions are there, complete those. And if you have studied, do complete those. If you have studied, एक मार्क वाला वहां पर बहुत कुछ है, do complete studies. Then after do PYQs, because you have limited time within your hand. You have tonight, you are having tomorrow morning, you are having tomorrow evening. What you gonna do? Complete all the PYQs. Then after clear, everything is clear. No need to read bit to bit, line to line, this and that, and no need to read other resources. No need to read something reference, this and that, notes, source, यहाँ से note ले आओ, वहाँ से note ले आओ. That is one of the worst strategy, worst planning ever, as I think. I don't know about you all people, but I think the very much priority which you gonna do, that you have to make your schedule. 40 marks आने वाला है. Summary, let me talk about the today's summary. 40 marks आने वाला है, in which 15 is a civics, 25 stands for history. Out of 40, 10 marks is a picture based question, 5 और 5 में से civics से आएगा, 5 में से history से आएगा, in which 5 marks guarantee my dear most children, complete all those exercise question of a picture, वहीं से copy paste question चमकेगा. If not, PYQ से चमकेगा. PYQ को गोली मारो, complete this study it, as well as, you know, workbook, the text, school textbook, complete all those, and from there direct question you will be getting from civics and as well as from history also, as I feel. If not in history, a paragraph वाला होगा, structure based question, case based question, you will be getting those, right? अच्छा, more left 30 marks, 10 mark निकल गया, 30 marks it left. Out of the 30 children, what? The 10 mark will be there for civics. यहाँ पे 5 गया तो यहाँ पर 10 मिलेगा. 10 mark for the civics, in which in which you have given a lots of time. You might have given a lots of time to the civics, and you have to give a lots of time from right now onwards, and definitely everyone will keep 10 out of 10. पक्का मुझे विश्वास है, क्योंकि अगर कोई तो बच्चा एक्सरसाइज पढ़ेगा तो क्वेश्चन आएगा कहाँ से? एक्सरसाइज से आएगा। क्वेश्चन आएगा कहाँ से? PYQ से आएगा। PYQ पे लगाना है तुम्हें बाद में। देन आफ्टर 10 10 10 20 रहेगा तुम्हें। इस 20 में रखो, कितना रखना है तुम्हें? अगर एक बच्चा पूरा एक्सरसाइज खत्म कर लेता है हिस्ट्री का, डेफिनेटली 20 after 20, I bet, I challenge, I guarantee. If a people can complete all the exercise question from the book, definitely he or she can give 20 out of 20. Remember, including PYQs. And if you want to keep 40 out of 40, and with no doubt summary of the poem. Poem. Summary of the chapters, right? Because poem abhi khatam hua na. So anyway, summary of the chapter at a glance. Right, summary of the chapter at a glance, point to remember, recapitulation. In this way, your morning star के पीछे भी बहुत सारा summary होता है. Do that. Do this much. 40 out of 40 is confirmed. Not a single Michael L can cut your mark. If अच्छा लगन का मेहनत होगा तो. So this strategy you do it. Coming important topics, I am bringing the topics probable question which may come in the examination, and if you have studied, that is enough for you. If you have studied near you, that is enough for you. No need to go here and there, notes वगैरह etc, reference book. Oh my god, one of the worst strategy. I don't want that. I don't need that. If I need anything, my first biggest accessories which I am having, that is a school book, textbook. Then after studied, then after what, and PYQs, summary, over. I will be going to the examination, and there I will be keeping 40 out of 40 with a no doubt, because whatever the question will be coming, the question will be coming from exercise. Remember this. Thank you very much. Coming stronger in the next session. Thank you and keep loving me.